Hello, my name is Samantha Cruz, and I'll be discussing about behavior and attitudes. The question that I chose from chapter 4 is from option 3. Why does our behavior affect our attitudes? The reason why our behavior affects our attitudes are due to 3 theories: self-presentation theory, cognitive dishonest theory, and self-perception theory. Self-presentation theory defines when one expresses their attitude that makes them appear consistent. For example, many of us have cared what others think about us, such as trying to make a good impression upon others, when we change our attitudes, or when we spend tons of money on accessories, clothes, car, etc., in order for us to feel better. We eventually pretend that our attitudes are consistent with our behaviors. The answer to why our behavior affect our attitudes in the process of self-presentation, it is due to feigning or acting consistently. Another evidence is people adjust their attitudes only if they are concerned with what others think about them. The next theory is cognitive dishonest theory. This theory defines when one behavior changes whenever they feel tension. It also led them to making difficult decisions. Inconsistency has caused unpleasant arousal. In order to reduce it, one can justify their behavior. And also, some people have experienced some hypocrisy, or some have come up with a sense of inconsistency as well. For example, people who have a habit of smoking, they believe that smoking is not dangerous. But people who do not smoke think that smoking is dangerous. Why does our behavior affect our attitude during the process of cognitive dishonest theory? It is due to our line of action precedes more attitude changes, as well as more dishonest arises. The final theory is self-perception theory. It defines when we observe our behavior or circumstances, as well as affirm our attitudes whenever our attitudes are weak. For example, when I observe myself acting as an athlete, I think myself as an athlete, or believe myself that I am an athlete. Also, an effect that is part of this theory is called overjustification effect. It specifies when people do what they like and they're rewarded, although it can transform their pleasure into something dull. How does or why does our behavior affect our attitudes during the process of self-perception? It is due to people attributing their behavior to rewards, only if rewards lead them. Thank you.